Okay, this is lot 2228 Starke Trail. The house is ready for handover, so we're going to have a look and have a bit of a squeeze what a finished product looks like. Nice letterbox, nice plantings in the garden. There's a couple of small fix-ups still to be happening, but that will come. Window furnishings are still to come. I'll start off with the garage, nothing exciting other than there is a storage nook that we always provide. Gets a bit echo in here. The entrance door will still have a security screen door. Let's start off with the media/4th bedroom. A magnificent over 4-meter room that can be used as a media room by closing the slider. Let me just do that. So this is what it would look like as a bedroom. A very substantial bedroom. We still have provided a robe in there, and if you want to use it as a bedroom, we do a bit of magic, close those two doors, and you use it as a bedroom with openings from the other side. The design concept idea is to have this so that we can have a bit of a wider opening and use it as a dual purpose room. The massive lounge, kitchen, family dining with a dishwasher, that's self-explanatory. Here we have opted for a 900mm range hood over 600 appliances, soft closing doors and soft closing drawers, fridge cavity with water, the beautiful big patio. We'll go outside and have a look in a minute, with access to the master bedroom. Large linen cupboard with the broom section, massive in fact. Laundry going through with the tiling to the end. Path and pad to the washing line. Security screen door, of course. Master bedroom. I quite like the access to the patio. TV, power up on the wall, naturally air conditioned. I'll just put the light on, then we can see the walk-in robe.